Signs you're stuck in a toxic karmic pattern. Have you ever felt like a loop, like a repeating pattern, some painful patterns in relationship, career, in making life decisions? It might not just look like bad luck, it could be a toxic karmic pattern following you. Let's uncover the challenges, the signs that you can see in this cycle, and most importantly, I'm going to tell you how to break free from it. Hi, welcome to my channel. Life can feel like endless cycles, sometimes especially when we keep facing the same challenges again and again and again. No matter how hard we try to change, these recurring struggles could be the result of the toxic karmic pattern which you're unaware about. In this video, we are going to explore the signs of being stuck into a karmic loop and what it means to you for your spiritual growth. By the end of this video, you are going to gain clarity on how to recognize these patterns and take the first step to become aware and heal. What is a karmic pattern? A karmic pattern is a repeated cycle of experiences, behaviors, relationships stemming out of an unresolved karma, or unresolved lesson or action, either from this life or from past life. Karma isn't bad. Toxic karmic patterns feel heavy, draining, hard to escape. These patterns are the life's way of pushing us to grow and evolve. But if we ignore them or don't address the root cause, they can keep us stuck. Signs you're stuck in a toxic karmic pattern. Number 1, repeating the same painful relationships. You keep attracting the same type of people, those who hurt, betray, disappoint you. It's like dating the same person in different forms, whether they are emotionally unavailable, controlling, or abusive, or any such thing that does not serve you. This is not a coincidence. It's a karmic pattern that asking you to take a look inwards, heal the wounds that keep drawing you to these kind of people, because you have become that magnet of attracting painful relationship. I know how many of you are actually resonating with it. Number 2, feeling trapped in negative situations. Whether it's a toxic job or a one-sided friendship or a draining family dynamics, you feel like you're stuck and you cannot escape. Despite trying to leave or change the situation, you find yourself right back where you started. This is often a sign that there's a deeper lesson that you haven't addressed yet. Number 3, constantly battling up the same emotional struggles. Do you keep facing the same internal battles, low self-esteem, anger, fear, guilt? Toxic karmic patterns manifest as unhealed emotions bubbling up repeatedly in your life until you address them from the root. For example, you might find yourself doubting your value in different areas of life, whether it's work, relationship, or personal growth, because you have that magnet in you which does not allow you to embrace yourself. Number 4, feeling deja vu in negative experiences. You feel that you have done this before, you've experienced that before, not just physically but emotionally. That sense that I have felt the exact pain before could be a sign that you're in a karmic loop which is playing again and again like a repeating reel in your life. Number 5, resistance to change. You know that you need to move forward, but something inside you always hold you back, make you go to that person again and again, that feeling again and again. It can be a fear, an unknown attachment to the familiar toxic karmic patterns, often come with a sense of resistance in you which does not allow you to grow. Number 6, unexplainable heavy energy. Sometimes it's not even about the external situations in life. You might feel weighted just by the negative energy in your life. That unexplained sadness, a sense of dread, this can indicate unresolved karma influencing your emotional and energetic state. Number 7, overthinking and obsession about your past relationships. If you're constantly replaying past mistakes, regrets, trauma in your mind, it could mean that a karmic pattern is tied to those events, and that mental loop keeps you stuck in the past and prevents you from moving forward. Why are toxic karmic patterns so hard to break? Do you want to know the answer? Before that, a small tiny tip. start wearing our Release Your Karmic Baggage. It is a beautiful combination of two crystals. It really helps you let go your karmic baggage by helping you attracting prosperity, love, and self-worth. Breaking free from a karmic pattern isn't as easy as I speak because it requires deep self-reflection and accountability that has to be done by you. Many of us resist confronting the underlying issues, emotions, because we think it can be painful, uncomfortable. Additionally, karmic patterns often involve core life lessons such as learning self worth, letting go of control, practicing forgiveness, trusting your intuition. These lessons take time, efforts, awareness to fully integrate into your life. Now, how to break them? Number one, identify the pattern. Start by observing the recurring themes in your life. What type of people, situation keep showing up in your life? How do these experiences make you feel? Journaling, reflecting on these patterns can help you bring clarity. Number two, take responsibility. Acknowledge your role in the pattern. This isn't about blaming yourself, but recognizing how you choose your belief systems, how you behave, how you contribute to the cycle. For example, if you keep attracting emotionally unavailable partner, ask yourself, are you ignoring red flags? Do you believe that you deserve better? Number three, heal the root cause. Often, karmic patterns are tied to unhealed wounds and the limiting beliefs. Inner work such as therapy, meditations, energy healing can help you release these blocks. For example, shadow work can uncover the hidden fears, resentments. Chakra healing can help you release energetic blocks in your day-to-day life. Akashic record healing can help you heal your soul journey as a whole. Number four, forgive and release. Karma thrives on unresolved emotion. Forgiveness, whether it is for yourself or for others, can free you from the emotional weight of the pattern. Number five, set boundaries. When you have identified the pattern, create new habit boundaries to prevent it from repeating. Say no to relationships that drain you. Leave environments that don't align with your values. Number six, seek guidance. If you're struggling to understand or break the pattern, consider seeking spiritual guidance. Akashic record reading can help you uncover the origins of your karmic patterns and provide accountable steps to move forward in life. Toxic karmic patterns can feel overwhelming, but they are not permanent. Recognizing the signs, taking intentional steps can lead you heal and get free. Remember, every pattern exists for a reason to guide you towards growth and self-discovery. If you're ready to uncover and heal your karmic patterns, consider booking a session with me. Together, we can dive into the Akashic records and identify the steps you need to take to move forward. Book your Akashic record reading now. The link is given in the description box. You can directly book from our website www.sanskritiseti.com or hop on to our WhatsApp number +919634003939. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment for spiritual insights. Share this video with someone who really might need it at the time. Let's break free and grow together. See you soon.